You know that feeling when you're trying to find just one file on Telegram, but your screen is full of messages, photos, and links? You scroll and scroll until you finally give up. Yeah, we've all been there. But imagine if your Telegram bot could find anything, a file, a message, even a product, just by typing one word. That's exactly what the new search button from SmartBotsLand does. It's fast, it's simple, and it feels like your bot just got a brain upgrade. Your users can type any word, and your bot instantly shows every matching button or content. No stress, no wasted time, just quick, smart results. And here's the best part. Your users will love how easy it feels because when people find what they need fast, they stay longer and come back more often. So, what about your bot? Does it already have this new search power, or are your users still scrolling endlessly? Tell me in the comments, what's the one thing you wish your bot could find instantly?